Are you stuck up with the finding who is the hiring manager in the company? Or you have been searching all along, where is that hiring manager, where I can get that person, or to whom I should send my resume? So a lot of times you are really unsure about where to send the resume. Okay. Now I'll show you couple of tricks. This is the first trick. And in different way, each video I'll be showing you different tricks. These are the tricks and tips that you can use it to find out who is the exact hiring manager. So there might be say 20 people working in a HR team, but only three people will be the sole HR professionals who will be looking after recruitment. Now let's see over here. Just a second. So the most simplest thing is hashtag hiring. Now, who will be putting a hashtag on hiring is a HR person or a recruiter will always put a hashtag hiring and will post an update on LinkedIn. Pretty simple. So if I do hashtag hiring, I'll get okay, Rahul Kaushik. It says hashtag hiring, hiring a lot jobs, and all these hashtags you need to note down and keep with you. So right now I'll copy these hashtags and I'll keep it on my notes. So whenever I'll be doing a different search for every time. So here we know Neha Gautam is a HR manager but is into recruitment. Again, Vaibhav Sakpal, kindly follow my page to submit latest job trends. Now again over here, again see over here. So if you are from Pune or somewhere, this kind of a if you are from Pune, then you can add those kind of hashtags. But this is what is making our work easier. Now let's move to other aspects. So again over here, see, I'm Yogesh currently Jai Engine web developer to create a website. Who those who are interested contact me. Now this is interesting. This guy is not hiring. He wants to develop a website, but what he is posting over here is hiring immediately. So everybody who is searching for hiring immediately are the ones who will come to know that there is a side hustle available over here. So shape the future developer with us. Lupin Development is on a mission to revolutionize Pharma market development innovation pharma industry. Now we are hiring alert media operations ORM. See over here again. Client service and job opportunities, advertising agency. Again, all these alerts you need to create a repository and need to keep on searching. So Flutter developer, then Reactor JS developer, tech careers. These are the things which are into tech. Now let's see hiring alert, hiring interns. Sorry, we need to keep first on uh, posts. Whoever is posting this, we need to connect with that set of people. Contract drafting, comment interested, internship opportunities abroad, Shopify. Again over here interns, founders, Snoodify. So over here you can see human resources, corporate business lawyer, Manish Agarwal Forbes and off campus placement opportunity, Xiaomi and all. This is the place that's Prep Insta. Then looking for fresh and college students, part-time we are hiring. See over here, multiple position, college graduate students. So these are the places where you'll find these hashtags. So chill trade by jobs, Wagner influencer strategy. She has used all set of keywords. Maybe all are relevant or not relevant, but just keep a track about what you are using. So found out this is where, so once you know these are the posts that people have posted, straight away first go and follow this set of people. Straight away. So lead class hiring central India eco hire. Recruitment Raja follow. Just follow all this set of people. So once you follow, whenever they post something, you will get an update. Because if you send a request right now to connect, they might not be interested to connect with you because again what will happen is they'll feel do you have a job, I need a job. This is what you will do and they will get pissed off with you. It is very difficult to get a recruiter will if you send a connection request or recruiter without writing a note, the probability that they will accept it is only 5%, because they need to know you. If they don't know you, they won't accept, because they know their inbox gets flooded that I want job, I want job, I want job. They don't want to answer this kind of messages on LinkedIn. So before I close, use hashtags to identify the HR or the recruiters. And once you identify these recruiters, the second step of this particular journey is you follow them and keep a track about what they are posting. Once you keep a track about what they are posting, then we'll look at the next steps. This is the first step. Okay. Bye.